Welcome! In this video, I want to introduce you to a really cool feature within the cameras in Badvisor. Here, I have a scene already prepared, but I want to add some effects that will improve my web experience even further. Go to the outliner and open your camera. This feature is available only for the Orbit cameras. Click and open the menu of effects, and here you have two different options: Hover Parallax Effect and Orbit Effect. Enable Parallax Effect and you can immediately see that your asset will start moving in the opposite direction of your mouse movement. You can increase drastically the effect of this or simply reduce to a value that can give only a slight movement. Disable Parallax and now enable Orbit. A difference of parallax: Orbit will rotate the assets in your camera view based on the center of the scene. Here, you can also increase or decrease the sensitivity on the alpha or beta. Alpha meaning the horizontal movement and beta the vertical movement. I hope you learned some new interesting information in this video. That would be all for now. Thank you for watching.